Hi, this is Kerry Artag with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Before I click through the charts, I just want to encourage you once again to please click like if you haven't already and share the content with friends and colleagues. Also, become a Wicked Stocks YouTube channel subscriber and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the Apple report, daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, that is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 ETFs, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and the long bond ETF, the TLT, as well as two individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube and cater to the 3 to 5 week out to the 3 to 5 month investor. And we also offer a 5-day free trial. So, if you sign up for wickedstocks.com, you could see everything I just described, all of our recent stock picks, and check it out for 5 days. You'll have all the stock picks that are coming out this week as well. And if you don't like what you see, within 5 days, you can bow out, cancel your subscription at no cost to you whatsoever. So check out wickedstocks.com. Here we go with the big picture. Just a reminder that the long-term view still remains constructive as we move into next year, holding above 167.83, this long-term channel top we settled above last May. Set up what I consider to be longer-term bullish continuation to this long-term rising channel top. At one point, I was saying by the end of the year when we were trading at our all-time highs, but now it looks more like Q2, perhaps Q3 even of next year. We do need to get up and underway and set off some meaningful buy signals. I'll cover that actually right now. The first buy signal would be above 180.39. This is a level that's actually in reach today, above 177.46. If we push our open today above 177.46, 180.39 in reach, where we can tap out not only for the day, but even for the week itself, and from there fall off to that 167.83 formation down here within a week, 2 or 3 at the most of testing 180.33. So the 180.33 is well suited for day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders, and even 2 to 3 week swing traders. But if we close above 180.39, that indicates a good low, I think, through October trade, because the following 2 to 3 weeks then likely to reach 191.24, where we could top out at least on a weekly basis, quite possibly into November and fall off. It would be a settlement above 191.24 in the coming weeks that would actually accelerate bullish momentum and yield this 211.41 formation within a couple of months, 2 to 3 months at the most, of closing above it. And so that is our upward pivot point and accelerator into later Q4. But until then, well suited to contain weekly, possibly monthly buying pressures. And once again, it does become a 2 to 3 week objective if we settle today above 180.39. Until then, 180.39 is our ceiling into October, and below which we can fall back to the 167.83 channel top over the next several weeks. Let's take a look at the downside today. I do have 173.64, nothing more than a simple trend line off these lows, able to contain intraday weakness. If we break 173.64, 171.96 likely today, where we could double bottom for the day itself. 171.96 is the August low. We might bottom out here for the week, perhaps. I mean, that is, we could bottom out there into October trade, well into October trade. This, given the fact that I still think that this sell-off that has occurred is counter trend in nature, because I do see the trend as being clearly bullish into next year above 167.83. And as I said, it would be just, this could be actually the tipping point to the upside as we move into later year, just a mere settlement above 180.39. Long-term rallies begin with near-term buy signals, and the next one is above 180.39. So if you are short this market and your time frame is 2 to 3 weeks out or more, I do think you may consider covering that position and even going long if we close above 180.39. Now, if we do, and I'll go back to this chart, and I don't see that today, but if over the next few days we close below 171.96, then yes, I see the 167.83 to 164.65 area within a matter of, it could be as little as 1 to 2 days. It could take into next week, depending on volatility. But it looks something like this. 164.65 is a meaningful 2 to 3 month descending channel bottom, that is below that 167.83 long-term channel top. This is our area that can absorb selling through the rest of the year. As 164.65 continues to drop in value and open and pull away from 167.83, I will change the layout a bit, but I do not want to ignore, and I will not ignore, this channel top at 167.83 as our base of long-term support through the rest of the year and well into next. I think I've covered everything for Tuesday's Apple Report. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back tomorrow with Wednesdays, and you have a great day.